customer, thank you for watching leadleds LED video show. In this video, I will introduce this amazing coolest, this portable LED sign. This is the smart LED sign which can control both by iOS phone or Android phone. So look, I use the Android phone to operate this LED sign. Now you see it displays the letters, the time, the animation. Maybe some people meet this program. I set it for you and show how to solve this problem. Oh! Look, the message is mess, right? I use my phone to control it. Next, I will show how to solve this problem. I chose this language in English, okay? English, so you can see clearly. The hardware, the password is 888, and there is a hardware parameter, so you can set the correct parameter here. Look, the first line is P 4.75, and the second, the scan group is all, and the third one, you should choose the correct, the C16P3 1R 1G 1B, this one, okay, and the data parameter is high and OE parameter is low, and then you tap the manual confirmation. Look, I saved this message, right? It's great and display amazing. Okay, thank you for watching this video. It's made by leadleds. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will be reply you as soon as possible.